Hey, boo. How you feeling? You feeling good? Okay. Yo, I am so proud of you. Finally, you want to know how you started your YouTube channel. Let's start there. And now you want to know how you're going to get monetized fast on it. Okay, I'm here to help you. Well, if you are new here, hi girl, hi. My name is Asia. Welcome to JustAsiaJ. And if you're not, girl, you already know the program. All right, so we're gonna be talking about. I'm about to give you the cheat code because I'm about to do what it do, baby. So let me just throw a little transition up in here, and we about to get wet. Okay. You ready for the transition? You ready? Boop. Okay. We back, we live, and we ready, baby. You ready? Okay, so let's talk about how you are going to get monetized on YouTube faster, okay? So just in case you do not know, in order to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to be able to be part of the YouTube partnership program, okay? Now, I know you're like, Asia, that's a lot. And I'm here to tell you, no, it's not. No, it's not. And the reason why I tell you that is because I'm here to give you the cheat code. I'm here to take you from level 0 to like at least level 3. Okay, I'm not God, so I can't tell you how fast this is gonna work for you. But if you really understand what I'm about to say, you in there like swimmer. So let me give you a little. Let me make it a little like realistic for you, so you don't think that it's so daunting of numbers. So when I started my YouTube channel on nails, I'm gonna tell you about these couple videos that like did it for me, okay? So Kiara Sky came out with a product. It was like the Gel X, right? And I did a review on that. Those videos, I did 3 different type of reviews for that one product. Them bad boys, it basically went viral for my channel, okay? And then the next video I did a little later after that was my nail room tour. And I know off the top of my head that got like, right now where I'm sitting at, it was like in this present moment it's at 21,000 views, but in the moment, like I don't know, it was like 5,000. It was like something crazy within hours, okay? And the bad boy, that's one of my still like good performing videos to this day, but that was like a year ago. So I say that to say that if you really know what I'm about to tell you, getting the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers is not as daunting as you think it is by me just saying the numbers, okay? And this is going to be so simple. You're like, Asia, you're bullshitting me, okay? So let me tell you, you ready? You ready to find out what the secret sauce is? Let me get a little done. Okay. I need you to stay on one spot and keep hitting it over and over again. Now, what do I mean by that? Okay, so first things first, I need you, so you're gonna get on YouTube, right? And you decided what you're gonna talk about and who's gonna benefit the most from that. I need you to not move off of that. Don't move off of it. Like, stay right there. Like, I hate to say it like this, and I hope you two don't do it, but you know when you know what I'm talking about, when you and you be like, oh, right there, that's the spot, don't move. Mom, I'm telling you, don't move. That's the spot. I'm trying to tell you that is the spot. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. But, okay, so let me give you an example. So let's just say you decided that you're gonna start your YouTube channel on nails, and you're gonna help beginner nail techs, like, so let's just say I was like, oh, I'm gonna start a channel on being helping beginner nail tech, so I know what it was like for my journey on becoming a nail tech. So I don't want people to have to go through what I went through. Cool, great, I love it. So therefore, I want you to do videos that help nothing but beginner nail techs. Nothing. Don't do no extra. Oh, I want to do. Don't do that. Don't do it. Nothing. All videos help beginner nail tech. So we talking about how to shape, how to apply acrylic, how do you remove nails, how to, okay? All those type of videos. Don't move off of that. Now, the only exception to moving off of it is, let's say you do 10 videos on how to help beginner nail techs basically like succeed, in being a beginner nail tech, and one of those videos does better than the other 10, I'm gonna need you to find different variations of that video. So for an example, when I told you about my the videos for the Gel X, if I knew what I knew now, I would have just kept doing Gel X videos, because I got a lot of watch time, because at the time it was only Long Hair Pretty Nails and one other channel that did that video. I bought it like, yeah, so basically I bought it at the right time and did a review at the right time, and people was rocking with it, and so they just like started following me. So I should have kept up with the momentum and did nothing but Gel X nails. I didn't do that. Okay, cool. So then when it came down to the nail room tour video, and that did something, now I did do that slightly. Okay, so what I did was, so boom, my nail room tour, it got like a lot of views at that time. So I did a different variation of that by clean my nail room with me. It didn't do as well as that, but it did get a little traction. And then basically it was still off of my nail room. Okay, then the next video I did, now you may feel like it's a slight variation, but I don't feel that way, because the next video I did was day in the life of a nail tech. So you might be like, Asia, that's not the same. I understand, but the thumbnail basically looked the same as the nail room tour, and the same thing with clean my nail room. So basically what I realized, obviously, in order for people to come to your channel, the thumbnail is what gets it, right? So when I did, the thumbnail was basically the nail table, it was just all pink, right? Boom. So when I did my nail room, how to clean my nail room, nothing but pink, and basically the same things that was in the thumbnail for my nail room tour. Okay, cool. So then when I did day in the life of a nail tech, that thumbnail basically looked like the same thumbnail for my nail room tour. And then those videos, it got the clean my nail room didn't do as, it definitely got views, but it didn't do as well. But the day in the life of a nail tech, I don't know if it's because it was a day in the life, I don't know, but all I know is I feel like there's a correlation. Cool, but I know that if just stay on one spot, don't move, stay right there, like stay in that spot and keep going on that one spot. I promise you, you're gonna get monetized fast. Now I'm not God, so I can't tell you like, all right, you stay in one spot in 30 days, you about to be a billion. I can't, that's not my expertise. Sorry. You know what I'm saying? That's not where I go. I'm an Aquarius, I have a God complex, but I know I'm not a God, okay? Okay. But anyways, just stay in that one spot. That is the secret sauce. That's it. I promise you that is it. So I really hope that this video helps you. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I'll respond, you know what I'm saying? And while you're there, just go ahead and put a hashtag, let's be homegirls. Because that's what we are, and that's what we're doing, you know what I'm saying? We're building our community. But I hope that this video helped you, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Bye. Peace out. Yo. Toodles.